Hi, I'm Chad with WC Branham Incorporated. In this video, we'll be discussing how to replace the friction pads on your caliper disc brake. The first thing you'll want to do is actually dismount your caliper disc brake from the disc. If it's a single live side or double live side bolt mounted style, you'll actually have to remove the bolts from the mounting structure to dismount the brake. If it's a floating style, remove the floating mount screws so that you can remove the brake from the mounting structure. To access the friction pads, we'll need to remove the dead side from the live side housing. And by doing so, remove the bolts so that you can access the friction pads. Once you've removed the bolts holding the brake together, locate the brass screws on each friction pad and remove those with a standard slotted screwdriver. Once the screws are removed, you can remove the friction pad. You'll probably have a lot of brake dust and debris in there from the pads wearing over time, so take the opportunity to clean the housings and clean the counter bores, particularly where the new pads will be located. Take the new friction pad, reseed into the counter bore, align the screw hole. Apply one drop of removable thread locker to the screw threads. And reinstall the brass screw to retain the friction pad. Some model brakes will only have 2 friction pads, some will have 4, so repeat the process for each friction pad, and the new pad installation is complete. Reassemble, tighten those bolts, remount the brake back onto the original mounting structure and disc, and the process is complete. For more information, visit the caliper disc brake section of our website at wcbranham.com.